Embark on a captivating journey through the innovative world of Portacabin home building in Jeddah with our exclusive video tour. Delve into the intricacies of constructing modern living spaces using portable cabin technology, offering a unique perspective on housing solutions in urban environments. In this immersive exploration, witness the seamless integration of functionality and aesthetics as skilled craftsmen transform raw materials into stylish and practical homes. From conceptualization to completion, every stage of the Portacabin home building process is meticulously documented, providing valuable insights into the artistry and precision required for such projects. Discover the cutting-edge techniques and sustainable practices employed in Jeddah's Portacabin construction industry, showcasing a commitment to quality and environmental responsibility. Experience firsthand the efficiency and adaptability of modular housing solutions, designed to meet the diverse needs of contemporary living. Through captivating visuals and informative commentary, this video offers a comprehensive glimpse into the evolving landscape of residential construction in Jeddah. Whether you're a design enthusiast, urban planner, or simply curious about innovative housing alternatives, this behind-the-scenes exploration promises to inspire and enlighten. Join us as we uncover the secrets of Portacabin home building and celebrate the ingenuity driving forward-thinking architectural solutions in Jeddah's dynamic urban environment.